Hey everybody, welcome to the shop. So today we're going to be doing a little review on the Basecamp dust masks. Basecamp reached out to me a few weeks ago, asked if I'd do a review of their masks, try them out, see what I thought, and put together a little bit of a video review for them. So this is going to be that video. I've been wearing these masks, planing boards, doing a little bit of woodworking, and I've been wearing the other mask for doing some chainsaw carving, sculpting, that kind of stuff. And so I've got, some different opinions on these, and I think it might interest those of you that are doing woodworking and chainsaw carving. So be sure to give the video a thumbs up, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and stick around. Review on the Basecamp dust mask. Now, they reached out to me via email and had said, hey, we got these masks, think it'd be great for you and your followers on YouTube. Would you mind trying them out? And I said, absolutely. Most of you know I wear a different brand normally, just something that I chose, something that, had popped up, and I was like, oh, I'll try that, and I've liked it and enjoyed it. Now, these weren't on the radar at that time, so they weren't something I tried. And when you have something that works, you don't always switch, right? You tend to stick to what you have and what you know. I'm kind of glad they had reached out though, and I was able to try these Basecamp masks. Now, when you look at it, it looks very similar to some other masks on the market, but there are a few features that are definitely different, and I'm glad they've made them. Now, you can see, we've got this mesh woven style. There's a lot of masks on the market like that. But I will say, the way this is put together on here, it's comfortable. This mask is really, really comfortable. You can wear it just like this if you want, but it has a little tendency to slide down like a lot of masks do that you wear just like this. These Basecamp masks, though, have a nice little feature. They have these ear loops. Okay, so you can put your ear loops on, and it does help keep the mask in place as you're working. It doesn't slide down. It keeps it right where it should be on the bridge of your nose and covering your face. Now, the second big thing that I like that Basecamp masks have done is they have added a strap for their ear loops. There's this little strap. It comes in the package. I didn't put it on this mask because I wanted to wear that one and try it without it. The one I wore for chainsaw carving, I wore this extra strap, but you get, let me see here. You get some extra filters with your masks. Some extra filters and some covers. But you get this extra strap, so that's one I didn't put on. Now, the strap hooks to the ear loops, okay? I gotta take my glasses off. Flip the strap forward. You have to attach it to the ear loops yourself. Goes up over your head, put your ear loops on, pull your mask down. And the strap goes up here. Now what the strap does, you can tighten it and loosen it. It takes all the weight of the mask off. So wearing it without the strap, it does pull on your ears. You get your dopey ears going, right? And it starts to slide a little bit. With this strap, reminds me a lot more of a paint respirator. I've done some auto body in the past. Paint respirators are heavy and bulky, right? But they have a strap up over the head that help hold them in place. And that's really what this strap does. You add it yourself, it comes in the kit, and you put it on, or you don't if you don't want it. But I think that is a great little feature to have. Now, when you look a little bit closer to the mask, it might be hard for you guys to see, but you've got a little piece here that goes over the bridge of your nose, so you can pinch it tight or snug, or keep it loose fitting, whatever fits you the best. It's got a nice little rubber coating on it, so it's not just bare metal. You come down here, you've got these little ports. These little ports have kind of like a rubber membrane in there. I can't remember what it's called, but as you breathe, it releases your breath, and when you breathe in, it seals shut. So when you breathe in, the idea is you breathe in through the filter, okay? Because the filter wraps around like this. So you're able to breathe out, exhaling, releasing that moisture, and then you're able to breathe in and not breathe in the dust that you're working with. So, I mean, it works pretty good. The masks that came with it, I really didn't think were that masks, I'm sorry. The filters that came with it, I really didn't think they were that bad. They don't really seem to have as much of a, I mean, they are carbon filters. They filter dust really, really good. Some other masks I've worn, they have different level of carbon filters, and I guess I'm used to wearing a really high level carbon filter that helps filter out the exhaust of the chainsaws some. These don't filter out all the exhaust, neither do those. But with the other ones, I don't seem to smell the exhaust as much as I do with this one. Now, don't get me wrong, wearing this mask, the exhaust hits and kind of rolls off and you're not breathing in as much as just not wearing a mask at all. So I still think it's a great thing, and I think it's more comfortable than the other masks that I have. So I will probably, what'll happen is I'll end up jumping back and forth. You'll see me in videos probably wearing another brand because sometimes it's easier to get on and off to talk to you guys. But at the same time, I like the way this fits. It feels comfortable. It fits snug. It doesn't slide around. I don't have to adjust it once I'm wearing it. It's got a lot of features I like a little more. So, you know, you got to kind of take it for what it is and weigh it out for yourself. Now, you know, looking over the rest of the mask, you know, it fits great, all that. I wear glasses, most of you know, and a lot of you wear glasses. And there always is this big question: what mask can I wear that does not fog up my glasses? I haven't found a mask that doesn't fog up my glasses. It's almost impossible. Because even though you exhale and it should exhale out of here, you always get just enough steam to roll up into your glasses. It just happens, especially like right now. We have a lot of moisture going on, a lot of rain, a lot of moisture in the air. My glasses, like right now, they're a little foggy just on their own to begin with. It happens. You got to just deal with it. You know, I maybe someone else has found a mask that does really well with that, but even with the different brands that I wear, I have not found a mask that just doesn't fog my glasses. I just haven't. If there's a company watching this that says, hey, we got a mask that does it, you want me to try it and review it, feel free to reach out. I'll be happy to give it a go. So that is one thing I can say, that even with this mask, it just, you know, your glasses still fog up. As far as dust goes, sawdust chips from chainsawing, it does a great job with all that. I wore this mask without the head strap. Planing boards. I had to do cherry, that's what's here. The camera's actually sitting on a stack of black walnut. I planed a bunch of that, and we got the planer set up here still because I'm in the middle of the project, but I wanted to get the review out for everybody. I planed, I don't even know, probably a good 100 feet or so, good 100 board feet or so, wearing this mask, and I couldn't taste the sawdust. Blow my nose when I was done. It was clean. Those are all things that, you know, if you woodwork, you know, it's all packed up in your face, and you know how it goes, but you can taste it, right? When you're not wearing a good mask. Couldn't taste it. And I think they perform good. I really do. I think they perform better than good. I think they perform great. I hope they do a little bit higher carbon filter, so maybe it could help repel a little bit of paint fumes or that exhaust from the chainsaw. But I mean, other than that, it does great on dust. That's what it's supposed to be doing, dust, you know. So I recommend them. I really do. I like them. Now, they sent me medium-sized masks, and they fit good. They really do. They fit good. A lot of times masks go by poundage and weight. I'm like 185, 190 on a good day. So, you know, give you guys an idea maybe of what size to get for yourself, but this is a medium. That's what they sent me, and they fit well. I like them. I will be wearing these through future videos and projects, and will continue to use them. I would like to use them for, I don't know, maybe a good 6 months to a year. Somebody will probably remind me, hey, can we get a follow-up on the base camp masks? Ask. You know, give me several months to really give them a thorough work over where we can really wear out a whole filter and see how they are. But right now, comfort, they got it. These things fit comfortably. They're great. The strap on the head. I know I'm repeating myself, but I really am. I'm happy with them, and I do recommend them. I'll have some links to their website down below. I'll probably even link them through Amazon if I can find them on there. You guys check them out for yourselves. And yeah, if you're carving, get a mask. Get a dust mask. Try out these base camp masks. I think they're worth it. All right, guys, so that is my take on the masks. You know, just to wrap it up, sum it up here, stop repeating myself. I think they're a good mask. I do. I think it's worth it, and I think you'll be happy with them. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully it'll help you in deciding whether or not Basecamp dust masks are something you want to check out. I'll have some links down below to their website. I'll see if I can link them through Amazon as well. And hope you guys have an awesome day. Be sure to check out some videos coming up. You know, we're going to be working on some how-to chainsaw carving videos for the beginner. Hopefully we'll be using some slightly used homeowner chainsaws to create some new videos here in the near future, because not everybody can buy a new chainsaw, so keep an eye out for those. And I want to thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.